In this video, I'm going to show you how to improve your off-page search engine optimization or off-page SEO in short. So what is off-page SEO? To the uninitiated, off-page SEO are basically techniques that you use to improve the ranking of your website on search engine results like especially Google, and you do this exactly what is said of the website, and it doesn't directly happen on a website. That's called on-page SEO. Okay, so there are a few ways you can go about doing this. Chiefly, they're called link building. You can also use social media and social bookmarking. So let's get into each of this in detail. So let's start off with link building. Now, this is one of the effective ways, and it's quite timeless as well, that you can use to do off-page SEO. And here are a couple of ways that you can go about doing this. You can create quality, share-friendly content for your site. So this motivates people to want to link to your website, and what this creates is a viral sharing effect. So you want to position your website in a way that it's the go-to authority site that other websites will want to link to you. Okay. Next is that you want to create and maintain an active blog. And what this does is that it helps you get listings and links from other blogs, including blog roles and blog directories. You can also consider speeding this up by doing guest blogging or being a co-author or co-contributor on other websites or blogs in your field. So what this does is that this helps you build authority, brand awareness, and most especially, you can link back to your website, especially through your author bio. Okay, and make sure that your site's on-page SEO is also on point. Now, this is already discussed in another video, but it's also worth mentioning again that this increases ranking, which also has a positive impact on your off-page SEO. So they both have a hand in influencing each other. Okay, so due to more citations and links from the other websites. That being said, a terribly done on-page SEO can damage what you do for your off-page SEO, so just be careful of that. All right. You can also consider getting an influencer or blogger outreach, and what this involves is basically building a relationship with other well-known figures in your niche, especially if they are already established experts or bloggers on the same topic. So mentions by them as well as links to your site from their articles or social media profiles, and all the more so if they are influencers with a lot of following. This will help create more exposure for you, and that naturally generates links to your website. Participating actively in discussion boards, forums, and blog commenting also helps, but make sure that this is related to your niche topic and you do not want to be spamming everywhere. So by this, I mean leaving a thoughtful or quality comment or content that's going to help you get noticed by your audience and influencers that they follow. So in the long run, this generates natural backlinks and brand building mentioning as well. So a few ways you can go about doing this is that you can get on sites like Reddit or Quora. Next up, social media. Now, social media is a big part of the internet right now. So interactions on social media does not affect page ranking. However, social posts that generate a lot of links or clicks boost traffic to the site and generate link shares. So establish a good presence on social media with links to your website. Okay, so this includes advertising, sharing links in your blog posts, social media posts, be it Facebook, Twitter, or even Instagram for the matter. Okay, so keep your posting consistent on your social media site. And by consistent, I mean having a regular frequency. If you're going to post 2 times a week, then so be it. Next up is social bookmarking. Now, social bookmarking is a way for people to organize, search, and manage their favorite web pages. This is also one way to promote your sites and drive quality traffic and even targeted. And this is highly favored by search engines too. So they're more likely to list results from such sites. Examples of social bookmarking sites include Digg, StumbleUpon, and Delicious.
For more free educational content, visit learnforfree.biz. Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo.